Now, right at the top, we have some breaking news coming in. We're learning that the Supreme Court has pulled up the government as far as road accident cases are concerned. What's in focus at this point is cashless treatment for road accident victims, saying, and I quote, "Action only after we summon top government officials." The Supreme Court has summoned the Ministry of Road Transport and says that people losing lives due to no treatment. Now, this is the Supreme Court rapping for the center in connection with road accident cases. What has been in focus particularly is essentially the treatment that's given to road accident victims, particularly cashless treatment. Now, what the Supreme Court has said is that action is only taken after they summon top government officials, and they've now summoned the Ministry of Road Transport, saying that people are losing lives due to no treatment. We're crossing over to my colleague Harish to bring us more details on this. Harish, tell us more about what went on in the top court.
Yes, the Supreme Court said only when we summon top government officials that something happens. Saying so, the Supreme Court bench led by Justice Abhay S. Oak has summoned the Secretary of Ministry of Road Transport and Highways and pulled up the Government of India for not framing a scheme for cashless treatment for road accident victims during the golden hour. Remember, golden hour is the 60 minutes following a traumatic injury, during which there is the highest likelihood of preventing death by providing prompt medical care. Supreme Court was unhappy that despite a clear-cut order in January this year, government has not done anything. Supreme Court had on January 8, 2025 directed the centre to immediately frame a scheme for the cashless medical treatment of road accident victims during the golden hour when the near and dear ones are not around and there may not be anyone to help them with money to pay for critical care. So Supreme Court said, we are making it very clear that we will issue notice of contempt also if we find that no progress is made. People are losing their lives because there is no treatment. Let the Secretary come and explain. Otherwise, we are putting it on notice that we will take action again under the Contempt of Courts Act. This is what the court said. The court noted that it has been 3 years since Section 162 of Motor Vehicles Act came into force on April 1, 2022. Yet the government has not framed a scheme for its seamless implementation on the ground. So Supreme Court taking very serious note of this fact and summoning the Secretary of Ministry of Road Transport and Highways and also threatening contempt action. Back to you.
All right, Harish, thank you so much for joining us and getting us more crucial details about those scathing statements made by the Supreme Court in connection with this.